I got a new Zippo review for you. Today I'm going to take a look at a replica Zippo. This is the 1941 replica. The model name on this one is, let's see if I can get this in focus. Focus. There you go. 285H2 War Stamps Lighter1. This is a limited edition Zippo, and this is what it looks like. Here we go. Ta-da! This is the Facebook exclusive Zippo. They release a new Zippo now and then to the followers of the Zippo Facebook page, and this is number 228 out of 250 produced worldwide. So here it is. It has a black crackle finish. It's like a sort of sandpaper. It's not as rough as it looks, but you get a really nice grip on it. So here it is. A 1948. Let's see if I can do something with the lights. Several distinctive characteristics for the 1941 replica. It has a flat plain case, less rounded edges, distinctive corners on the lid, 4-barrel hinge, and a replica insert. If you take a look at a new model of Zippos, you will see that, let's see, the sides are much more rounded. This one is totally flat. There you go. You can see that the new one is more rounded on the sides and the replica one. The hinge, you get a 4-barrel hinge, 1, 2, 3, 4 on the 1941 replica, and the new Zippo letters you have a 5-barrel hinge. We can take a look at the inserts. On the replica one you have in the bottom 1, 2 holes, and you got 2 holes in the middle, and you got 3 holes on the top of the chimney. On the newer one you got 3 holes in the bottom, you got 2 in the middle and 3 on the top, so this will be a 16-hole chimney, and the replica is a 14-hole chimney. In 1941 they got the 14-hole chimneys. Another thing we can take a look at is the hole. It's got a hollow pin on the 1941 replica, but the newer Zippos, you can see they got a regular pin, stainless pin, which holds the flint wheel. So there you see the difference, hollowed and a regular pin. This lighter is made in, let's see, F of 13. That will be June, I think. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. No, it's July. July of 13. Let's take a look at the insert. And this one is made in a C of 13. So that will be Mars. Mars. That's quite a big difference. July and Mars. I have also removed the spring and the flint so it doesn't get stuck. This is a non-user one. This is only for my collection, never been used. It looks like regular zippers are made of brass, but actually on this one it looks like it's made of steel. You can see it on the bottom as well. You don't get, let's see, this one you see you have the brass color, and if you see in the lid you can see a goldish brass color, but in this 1941 replica you can see it's almost looks like it's stainless steel. It's not brass. It's you can't see it in the bottom. But in the lid you can see that is totally not brass. So strange. So that's it. Black Crackle 1941 replica, Facebook exclusive. So yeah, there it is. Subscribe to my channel and see you later. Bye.